What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Welcome back to another video, Make Money with HRC. Alright, so before we go ahead and jump into the video, hit the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe. Also, it is Friday, so guess what? For all your friends, family, foes that don't have a job, go ahead and send them like the last two videos, bruh, because we got them. Alright, we gonna make sure that they get a job to complete 2020. They could either go ahead and do the entrepreneurial type of jobs, or I have 4 new jobs that I'm actually going to go ahead and tell you about, and these jobs are not so much on the entrepreneurial side, but they're still actually work from home jobs that they could actually go ahead and take advantage of. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, went ahead, made my list, and this looks like chicken scratch. God, you'd think a 5-year-old wrote it. So the companies that I found so far are probably companies that you've already heard about. If you haven't heard about them, definitely go ahead and research it and just see if it's a company that's going to fit your needs. Now, most of these companies do require that you have at least the basic computer or whatever program that they might require, which is in their job description. If you don't see something, or if you're unclear of something, they have a link to like their HR, their recruiter. Definitely reach out to them. If it's anything else that you might need for the job, I'm pretty sure that they'll actually send you whatever it is that you might need to get the job completed. But I notice most of the jobs literally good internet connection, good computer. Some of the computers, they did list the processors that they would like for you to be able to run on your computer. So again, just read the job description, see if it's something that appeals to you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump into these jobs. These jobs are going to be 4 jobs that are actually corporate companies that hire remote work. So you're able to work from home. Some of the jobs might require you to actually do a little bit of traveling. And again, all in the job description. So just read it, see if it's something that appeals to you. The first company is Airbnb. Now, we all know about Airbnb and how they connect the traveler to a rental space just about anywhere, I guess, Airbnb would be in the world. With that being said, they're basically hiring for work from home and also freelance positions. Now, the freelance positions didn't go in depth, so you'd have to see what exactly it is that they would require under freelance, whether it's taking pictures of a property or whatever their freelance job description position is. Definitely check that out. But they are hiring for experience ambassadors, and they're also hiring for social impact ambassadors. So that might be something that you're into. Social impact ambassador is probably somebody that's, more than likely always on social media. So if you're a social media fanatic, what's that, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, that might be a job for you, or it might be something that you're into. Second company, Amazon. Everybody knows about Amazon. If you haven't, you're definitely under a rock, because Amazon covers music, movies, Amazon Handmade, Amazon Prime, just about everything in the e-com world. Amazon has now have their hands on, and they are doing a damn good job with it. So with that, Amazon is actually in the process of expanding, from what I understand, with their handmade division. So I'm guessing this is where they're actually asking for more help in the sense of people to work. So they have I want to say currently, last time I looked it up, they had about 310 million customers. That's a lot of people. So for sure they're looking for help. I did see that they're hiring for team managers, senior architect specialists, and also for senior solutions architects. So check that out. That might be something that is up your alley, and that might be a job that you're interested in. Okay. Next, we have Live Ops. Now, Live Ops is basically a work from home call center, and they provide service to different customers and to different businesses. So you would be the liaison between business and client, or client and business. Whoever calls, you're the person on the other end that's going to pick up and assist them. Now, their company basically ranges anywhere from financial to healthcare when it comes to offering help and service to customers and clients. With that, you know for a fact you're going to be working on different accounts depending on which account it is that you'll get. It's all based on once you actually go through the live ops process. Okay. From there, I did notice that they are hiring for community service. Wow. For customer service reps. And they also had an option for a roadside assistant app rep. So I'm guessing they have a division now that works on roadside assistance, but through the app. So you'll be assisting the customers through either, like, I guess, using the app or maneuvering the app. Either way, there's a position for that. And they're also looking for tech support rep. So if any of those are up your alley, definitely do check those out. So they have customer service, roadside assistance, app rep, and they have a tech support rep. So check those out. Now, the last company that I have is a company called Stitch Fix. I had to look them up because I was actually impressed with the company and what they do and what they stand for. Now, what they are a virtual shopping company in the sense, or rather they're virtual personal shopping service. And how their service work is they handpick your clothing, your accessories that go with the clothing, and the jewelry that goes with the clothing. So they handpick these specific items, then they send it off to you, the customer, for you to go ahead and wear these items. And of course, every time you need something, I'm not sure if you have one particular stylist that does everything for you, or if you have a bunch of different stylists, but they handpick everything for you and send it out to you, which I think was super cool and super awesome and very like, oh snap, like I actually want to try the service just to see how it works. So I might be trying the service, and I'll make a video about how that actually played out for me. But they literally do everything for you in reference to get you looking to the T, just stylish, right? Now, I do see that they are hiring for stylists, they're hiring for engineers, and they're also hiring for team leads for the stylists. So the stylists, the team leaders for the stylists, and engineers to work on their website. Most of the jobs that I did see though with Stitch Fix were actual part-time jobs. Some that might appeal to you, it might not, but you know, just keep that at bay that most of the jobs listed on their site were mostly part-time, but there were still remote jobs. So just to run down the list again, we have Airbnb, Amazon, Live Ops, and Stitch Fix. Definitely check out these sites. I'm actually gonna have a link to the websites in the description with the access to the careers page. And just go ahead, check it out, pull it up, see if it's something that would actually interest you. Again, read through the description, see if that's something that fits your needs, if there's any requirements of how many hours that you need to complete every week. I think Life Ops had like 20 or 30 hours, or was it 25 or 30, 25 to like 30 hours that they require that you complete every week. So you just have to go ahead and look into it, as I said, and see what's going to work for you. But overall, I think these companies are pretty good with, you know, what they required. So like I was saying, hopefully you guys like these videos. You know, it's 2020, bro. Let's go ahead, get these videos shared, like, subscribe, you know, share with friend, family, foe. Let's help them get a job. All right, if it ain't the entrepreneurial side, let's go ahead and get them on the corporate side. Somebody needs this, all right, and you're gonna be the person to deliver it to them, and they are going to love you for that. So the links will be in my bio with all those sites for you to go ahead, check them out, And best of all, I'm see y'all in a couple of days, hopefully with another banger. And I don't know, have a new shirt idea that I'm coming out with that, I would love to get some feedback on. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, harsh_r clothing, and look out for the designs on there. Until then, see y'all next time. I'm out.